Greetings everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm demonstrating how to make an easy chicken and capsicum dish in just 15 minutes. This recipe delivers a comforting aromatic meal and proves that delicious meals don't need complicated ingredients. To make this, please find the ingredients in the description and stick around to the end of this video. I start by heating some oil and add the chicken. I add freshly ground mixed peppercorns, salt for flavor and stir. Black pepper is fine too if that's what you have. I add cinnamon powder, paprika, garlic and ginger and continue stirring for 5 minutes or until there are no traces of blood left in the chicken. I now add onions, stir for a minute and add the capsicums and tomatoes. I add vegeta and cumin powder. I mix to combine and add a little water and let it simmer on low for 5 minutes. If you like this video, kindly give it a big thumbs up, engage in the comments and share. The aroma in the kitchen is so good and our chicken and capsicums are ready. I adjust salt to taste, allow a minute for it to blend in and turn the heat off. It can be served for lunch or dinner and makes a great meal prep idea. We had it with rice, but it can also be paired with chapati or any of your preferred staples. For simple recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and I hope to see you in my next video.